A bird's second chance. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young girl named Alice. She was known throughout the village for her kindness and generosity. Always willing to help anyone in need. One day, while exploring the woods, Alice stumbled upon a wounded bird. Without hesitation, she scooped up the bird and rushed back to her home to care for it. She spent hours tending to the bird's injuries and nursing it back to health. As the days passed, Alice continued to care for the bird, feeding it and keeping it safe from harm. Eventually, the bird grew strong enough to fly away, leaving Alice feeling both sad and proud. Years later, Alice had grown into a wise and respected woman. One day, while walking through the village, she heard a familiar sound. Looking up, she saw the same bird she had rescued all those years ago, soaring through the sky. In that moment, Alice realized the true power of kindness and compassion. The small act of caring for a wounded bird had not only helped the bird itself but had also brought her a sense of purpose and joy that stayed with her for the rest of her life. Conclusion: the story of Alice and the bird highlights the transformative power of kindness and compassion. No matter how small our actions may seem, they can have a profound impact on the world around us.